What are we doing today, Wyatt?
Getting a parts baler.
Yep, we sure are. We're standing over here at an undisclosed location where, well, I guess a lot of my junk is sitting right now. You can see there's actually a good bit of my stuff lined up here. Everything from tillage to hay equipment. See the tillage stuff up there. And we're here for one thing though. What are we here for?
Wheels.
Wheels off of this New Holland Hayliner baler. This one's a 69. We're on our way today to pick up a second New Holland Hayliner baler. I believe this one's a 68 that we're getting, but it's not field ready. This one's just for parts. The only thing it's missing though is wheels. So we're gonna rob the ones off this one just to get it home. And what are you doing? You're just standing there. Get to work. I'm just kidding. Yeah, who put those thorns there? Well, that's a truck bed and there's wheels in there. Guess our work here is done. It's only a little sketchy on the blocks right now. Don't worry about it.
I did not drop a bolt.
Oh well. Alright, let's load up and roll out. Hey Wyatt, I found your combine.
Yeah?
I think we should try to get this thing running.
Oh yeah.
Run that off the belt pulley on the case.
Looks like it work right now.
Oh dude, it's, look, I bet this still turns. Oh, it does too. Look, this thing's ready. This thing's field ready. It's ready to go. Oh, this is, yep. We're making that happen. Oh, 4-wheel planter. Don't need one that big quite yet. Here's what we're here for. It's New Holland. Ought to look very familiar. Except this one, the only difference, well, there's a couple differences, but this one's a 68, if you can read that there. And mine's a 69. There's even some old twine left in there, but I wouldn't trust that anymore. The biggest difference between mine and this is, if you look over here, yeah, there's no PTO shaft coming off the flywheel. This sucker's got a big old Wisconsin air-cooled 2-cylinder engine on it. You think it runs?
Yeah, definitely.
I know what's wrong with it.
Look. It ain't got no gas in it. It turns.
Oh, we don't even turn anymore. Yeah, these things are cool. I doubt it still runs, but if it did, that'd be cool.
We can get it running.
There's just a, there's a lever here that tensions the belt, and it spins the flywheel. Yeah, we should try to get that running. That'd be kind of cool, actually. But, as you can see, this side doesn't even have a rim, and the other side, well, there's a wheel and a tire there, but I wouldn't trust that going down the road. But this thing is an abundance of parts, from sprockets, maybe chains. The biggest thing is it's got the entire Nado assembly still, so there's tons of good parts there that if you need those in a pinch and you don't have a parts baler, you're screwed. Your hay's gonna get rained on. Alright, let's get this thing, let's get the wheels on this thing and get it home, eh?
Yeah.
I think I'm definitely back here far enough. Well, first time this thing's gone down the road and probably, well, the guy said he had it at least 15 years, so it's been at least that long. We made it. Time to stop and get some refreshments here at the gas station. Let's roll. Well, we made it back. Now it's sitting here beside mine, which is on blocks right now because we had to borrow the wheels. And they look pretty good sitting there beside each other. Got a good duo, although one's just for parts. It's just gonna sit here for now until we part it out, and then this one will probably eventually end up at Conserve It, whatever we don't end up saving. That's one way to keep it jacked up. He's gonna roll the truck forward. Go ahead. I don't know what he's waiting on. Probably can't figure out how to start it. There we go. Whoa! Well, that slid forward a little bit. Ooh, but that sounds good. Dude, that slid forward a couple inches. Huh. Yeah, that's gonna be fun to get next time, but I guess, yeah, like we said, we're just gonna leave these wheels on here for now so that we can take it back to the house at some point where the shop and tools are and part everything out, and then just haul it to Conserve It and take the wheels off there and then put them back on this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We'll give Wyatt a high five for his effort. And say goodbye to everybody, Wyatt.
Bye.
Alright, see you guys.